About this item: 20x25x5 replacement whole house air filters for your furnace, air conditioner, heat pump, or HVAC system. Actual size: 19.88x24.75x4.38. Compatible models: Honeywell F25, number 203720, F35/F35R, #FC35A1027, F100/F150, #FC100A1037, F200, #FC200E1037, Bryant, Filtcar 0020, Filskscar 0020, Filskscar 0120, Carrier, CARF82500602, CARF 100A1037, CARL 86469, XPSFIL 0020, XPSLK 0020, XPSINF 0020, Filacar 0020, Filskscar 0020, Filskscar 0120, Day and Night, MacPack 20, Lennox, X8790, X0586, X5426, X6661, X6673, X7751, BMAC 20C, HCC 20-28, HCF 20-10, HCF 20-16, Payne, MacPack 20, MERV 11 synthetic media, comparable with MPR 1000 to 1200 and FPR